like a. It looks like it's a glow in the dark thing. Hold on, we might stop and I can look.
I gotta get in there.
Well, yeah. You don't have to do it,
Wait,
Christy.
does this go down too?
Yeah, that one comes on too.
You might want to switch her spots.
Yeah.
It'll be
Like
easier.
somebody put their ass up here.
Yeah.
Don't crash.
I'm not.
The girl in front, behind us is like, what the fuck, Kaylee, get over here.
Get over
They
there.
can't see us.
Don't crush my sunglasses.
Dude, do you want me to just stop and let you get out and go get them out of the trunk? I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna care.
No, I'm just gonna do this.
Are you sure you're gonna be able to do this?
I think so. I have a little safe.
I know, but this is like traffic. This is legit. You're gonna pop that trunk open and fucking freak somebody out.
I know. I don't. Oh, I see it.
How am I gonna close the trunk? There's a pull strap inside, like over to this side. It's like a big black strap. What if I miss it? I'm like, ah! Do you see the big pull down strap too, or no?
I'm gonna be dead if this crash. Remember that.
That's my pants. Oh my God, Christy! Open the cooler at all? What?
Are you taking a picture?
No, I'm driving.
Did you get it? She's got it.
Sweet. Oh my
You're stuck. You're stuck. Give me a thumbs up.